I was feeling like I was chasing something all the time. My light just got switched off. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well.
ফাইনালি ছেড়ে দিলাম কর্পোরেট জবটা। আর বড় বড় মিটিংস, ডেডলাইন্স, ইমেলস, আবার শরতের আলোর মতন ফ্রি হয়ে গেলাম। ইউ নো হোয়াট, ইট ফিলস অ্যামেজিং। অনেস্টলি আমার মাথায় একটাই কথা ঘুরছিল, মানি ইজ ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট বাট পিস ইজ প্রাইসলেস।
I am healing from being rushed all the time. I'm healing from this rat race. I was feeling like I was chasing something all the time and I had no time to linger a bit longer. It was very hectic for my head. I had no time for the things I love. You already know that I have a published novel, and in this last 2 years I tried to write a lot. I started 2 separate stories, but I lost the train of thought because I had a lot of work, a lot of people depended on me. But this feeling that I do not have to be there for an organization, this feeling is very liberating. I mentioned in my previous video that I was doing a lot of things, like I was doing end-to-end hiring, performance analysis, L&D, then employee engagement, content monitoring, content creation, one person and so many job roles I was doing. So it was very heavy on the head at the same time. Now the question comes about money. If I do not have a steady income, what will I do? Well, corporate is not the only way to earn money. I teach English, so I have an income source there, and I along with my friends have started something new. You will get the update soon once it is properly established, and I want to spend more time in creating content and most of all writing. I do not want to see myself away from writing. I want to be able to continue that, and I feel that 6 days in no job situation makes me feel amazing. It is giving me enough time to heal. I have a very supportive husband. He is there supporting my every step. All the decisions I am making, he respects that and he is with me. So in that way, I consider myself very lucky. So let's see what life has in store for me. And yeah, today is Wednesday and I do not have the office work, but that doesn't mean that I'm jobless. I do not have any work. So stay together with me and see what happens throughout the day.
আর এবার আবার প্রচণ্ড সিরিয়াস মোড অন করতে হবে, বিকজ লেকচার প্রিপেয়ার করতে হবে আমার স্টুডেন্টসদের জন্য। অনেস্টলি বলতে লেকচার প্রিপারেশন মানে ডিটেকটিভের মতন রিসার্চ। কোন পয়েন্ট অ্যাড করব, কোনটা স্কিপ করব, আর শেষ পর্যন্ত রিয়েলাইজ করি সিলেবাসটা স্টুডেন্টসদের থেকে আমার নিজের জন্য একটা চ্যালেঞ্জ। বাট ইট ইজ এ চান্স টু কানেক্ট অ্যান্ড ইন্সপায়ার।
So I have finished preparing for the lecture. I was preparing the lecture on the poem The Last Ride Together by Robert Browning. So you already know that I have a channel on English literature where I post regularly several videos explaining different topics of literature as well as linguistics. So if that is something of interest to you, you can subscribe to that channel. So as I was reading the poem, let me read one poem I really love to you. The poem is When We Two Parted by G.G. Byron. The poem goes like, when we two parted in silence and tears, half broken-hearted, to sever for years, pale grew thy cheek, and cold, cold at thy kiss. Truly that hour foretold sorrow to this. The dew in the morning sunk chill on my brow. It felt like a warning of what I feel now. Thy vows are all broken, and light is thy fame. I hear thy name spoken, and share in its shame. They name thee before me, a nail to mine ear, a shudder comes over me. Why wert you so dear? They know not I knew thee, who knew thee too well. Long, long shall I do thee, too deeply to tell. In secret we met, in silence I grieve, that thy heart could forget, thy spirit deceive. If I should meet thee after long years, how should I greet thee? With silence and tears? I had this poem prescribed in my syllabus when I was a UG student, and I am in love with this poem since then. So I thought of sharing this with you.
একটা শর্ট ভিডিও পোস্ট করলাম, দেন লাঞ্চ।
So I am making this packet of noodles for lunch. My husband does not like these noodles, so I usually do not make it whenever he is at home. Today he has gone to office, so I'm thinking of making this. So yes, this ones I really like, but he thinks that these noodles are a bit thicker than the usual ones. That's why he doesn't like. I know I won't be able to finish the all, but I think I can keep it, and yeah, I can send this to the other house. Bit of salt. That's all. And meanwhile, I'll cut all the veggies. I'm just using one small potato and one carrot. That's all.
ফাইনালি মাই লাঞ্চ ইজ রেডি, অ্যান্ড আফটার লাঞ্চ আমি তাড়াতাড়ি রেডি হয়ে নিলাম ফর আ ইউটিউব ভিডিও শট, অ্যান্ড টুডে আই এম শুটিং অন aesthetic education of men.
So here are all the Rakhi gifts I have got. This one I have got for my brother, and along with this. And this one I have got for my sister. These are earrings. And this is also for my sister. And this one is for my sister-in-law. And this is for my sister-in-law. And here are the Rakhis. This is the Rakhi set of Bhaiya Bhabhi. And this Rakhi is for my sister. And this one is for Piyush. I have not got Piyush a gift yet. I'll get it tomorrow. And this one is so cute. Alright. So I have got all these gifts. Now I have to do all the packing of the gifts. I do not like to give gifts without properly wrapping it up. So yes, I'll do it, and I'll get back to you soon. Hello. So this is around 8:30 in the evening. I got this lassi, and I will probably do some pleasure reading and then call it a day. So my days have become a lot easier, I feel. With the video shot, the little bit of work I am doing for myself, the lecture preparation, everything, after taking care of everything, I still get time for pleasure reading. So when I was working in the corporate, I did not get time for the pleasure reading because traveling to office back and forth, and then the work, everything accumulated. I had no time for myself. So whatever time I would get, I would be so mentally or physically tired that I won't feel like doing the pleasure reading much. So my pleasure reading came back to my life, and I'm quite happy for it. I do not have to struggle. My light just got switched off. Anyway, I do not have to struggle for this pleasure reading, to incorporate the pleasure reading in my life. And that feeling is heavenly. So, yeah, let me enjoy my lassi. And I'm closing the video here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, where I cherish my small moments of life, keep an eye on my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.